Hello people of this world, it has been a while and I am so excited because I have something exciting to unbox for you. And what is it that has made me come back to make a video that I want to show you all? As you can see by the title, it is Sonny Angels. And if you don't know what Sonny Angels are, they are like these little baby dolls. Finally got on the trend and I want to unbox this for you. It's my first time ever getting any kind of Sonny Angel, so I'm so excited to unbox. And also I have a little QB baby t-shirt on for you today. And if you don't know that, Sonny Angels was actually inspired by the QB baby. Let's go ahead and unbox this right now. It's my first ever Sonny Angel items that I've ever gotten, so yeah, you'll see my reaction. And I do have something super cool in here to show you all, and that is the little tote. Oh my gosh, I don't know if you've seen it on the website, but they released this tote where you can actually but where you can actually put in your Sonny Angels and you can carry your babies around with you. How adorable is that? I can't wait to open the other ones and see what I got, and then you can put all of the ones that I like in their slots and see how the bag is on me, and we'll do a try on. I just got them all out of the box, and in total I have 5. Wonder which one I should do first. I think we'll do the classic, the fruit series. I'm honestly hoping that I get the little apple one. I think that one is my favorite actually, and probably the orange. Can't wait. Should I cut the film out, or I see people do this on TikTok where they just kind of break it. Oh my gosh, I'm definitely not them. Okay, let's go ahead and take off the plastic. Let's do that. Ooh, okay, that was a horrible opening, but still got that open. Ooh, what I got. Hope it's an apple. Oh, no. Oh, cute little raspberry baby. I think it is raspberry. Is this one raspberry? Yeah. Oh, so cute. Raspberry. Oh my gosh, it's adorable with the little wings, little butt. And let's go ahead and do the next one. Animal series version 4. So I actually got these off of the website, but honestly in stores they're sold out everywhere, even the official realtors. And I think you just have to be careful because people are selling fakes. I was surprised because on AliExpress there is like a whole set of fakes that people buy. Okay, so I got this one open for version 4. Let's see which one I like. I think I like the little hippo guy and the calico cat. So hopefully I get something. Let's see. Oh my gosh. I am not getting any of my picks today, but they're so cute still. Let's see. This is the peacock one. He has feathers, I guess, to represent the tail, and his little peacock helmet. So cute. And let's go on to the next one. Sweets series. Which one do I want? I think I like the shortcake. Which one is the shortcake? Strawberry shortcake. Pancake one is cute too. All of them are so cute. I think, let's just pray I get another one. Honestly, this just feels like Christmas every time I open up these blind boxes. my gosh. Is this like a mystery one? I don't know what this is. What is this? I got Robbie. Oh, how cute. I'm not gonna lie. I wish I had a little Sonny Angels more than this mouse thing. Oh, I guess, yeah. You can put this on and it comes as a set. Wow, I never expected I would get this. Honestly, all unexpected choices today. And finally, oh, actually I have one more, but not finally. So Animal Series version 3. I'm hoping to get maybe French Bulldog. I think the French Bulldog is so cute. Let's try manifesting this. Let's see what I get. Okay. Open. I'm getting better opening this. Okay. Little rhino. Oh my gosh. This is so adorable. Finally, last but not least, I love this series the most. Little dinosaurs. And honestly, I think I'm okay with any of them. Yeah, they're all super cute. I'm not gonna lie, I did buy more on the website. They're on their way. So yeah, I think it's a little bit of a guilty pleasure. And of course, I need to fill up this tote. So I need to start on my Sonny Angels collection right now, and I guess that's what I'm doing. Here is the dinosaur. Ooh, they're all falling. Dinosaur. Oh, oh my gosh, he has full outfit. What is this? The isn't it like a pterodactyl? I have no idea how they spell it. He's so cute. I think it's a pterodactyl thing. Orange, has a little tail, has wings. Let's go ahead and put them in here. Since this is all that I have, I'm just gonna put the ones that I got inside the bag, and I'm gonna obviously start carrying this tote around with me. I believe they're still selling this on the official Sonny Angels website if you want to get it, and that's how it looks. It's called My Crew Bag. Got all the little your crew with you. You can put your favorite ones, and it says insert here. There's pockets on the inside of this bag, and you can safely put them inside here, so you don't have to ever worry about them dropping out, or people maybe coming from the front and stealing your Sonny Angels. They're all safely tucked inside the bag from the inside. I'm gonna put in the first one into, ooh, oh my gosh, it's adorable. Okay, we must go on to the next one. Peacock is going in your rightful home. Next one, Rhino Sonny Angel going in. Okay, Raspberry Sonny Angel. How do you like it? I think I'm in love. I think this can be my new daily bag. And let's put, I think his name was Ronnie, right? Going down to the second aisle. I want to put in the stand as well. So he has his height. Oh, this is kind of hard. And when my other Sonny Angels come in, I'm definitely gonna do another unboxing, and of course I'm gonna maybe switch some of them out. Ooh, or I will add them to the missing spaces here. This is how they look. What do you think, everybody? Isn't it so adorable? It's probably gonna fuel my addiction, but no regrets. No regret. That's all I have for you today, unfortunately. I wish I had more Sonny Angels to unbox, but I told myself I need some self-control or else I would have just bought everything. But we are coming back with more unboxings of Sonny Angels because I did purchase some more, as I told you. And I will also be doing other unboxing too. It's gonna be exciting. Maybe Mofu-san, do you know the little cat? And also more shoe unboxing, just everything. And I'm excited to show you all the stuff that I got. And I am gonna be wearing this bag definitely every day. So until next time, bye.